Why is this pit in the deserts of Yemen called the prison of the devil, and what exactly is hidden inside it? Some scenes recorded in Google Earth that perhaps have never been seen before, from American drone strikes in Iraq to Israeli bombings in Gaza. Some are strange scenes and others are indescribable. Today we will learn about 10 such locations on Google Earth. Once again, welcome viewers to Discover TV's videos. The first location on our list is in Algeria, in the Sahara Desert, where there is a sea of dunes far and wide. Here, on the sand, stands a unique circular structure whose history is still unknown. This structure, named Kaserdara, is located in the Tamamoun town of Algeria, where reaching it requires a journey full of hardships and difficulties. Spread over 35 meters in diameter and with 2-meter-high walls, it's hard to tell whether this structure was a fort, a house, or a caravanserai. If observed closely, it has two walls, the outer one made of stone and mud, while the inner one is of mud only. Inside, there are walls of rooms visible and small windows for fresh air, but these windows can only be seen on the inner wall. It is believed that thousands of years ago, this might have been a caravanserai for travelers who crossed the Sahara on camels. For the second location, we need to head to the deserts of Yemen, where there is a 30-meter wide hole in the ground which locals call the Devil's Prison or the Well of Hell. Officially, it is named the Well of Barhoud. Passing by it releases a foul stench that can make one sick. Until recently, no one knew what was inside it, but some cave explorers decided to descend into it. After going 100 feet down, they found snakes, dead animals, and cave pearls formed by water dripping for thousands of years. The locals did not like to go near the well or even talk about it. Now we head to the city of Mosul in Iraq, which is often the target of American operations. In 2016 and 2017, the Battle of Mosul was ongoing against ISIS, during which the US military attacked ISIS bases using MQ-9 Reaper drones. One such attack was astonishingly recorded in Google Earth. In the image taken on January 19, 2017, the MQ-9 Reaper can be seen above the Tigris River. The next satellite image taken on January 24, 2017, shows two holes exactly at that location, which were not present before the drone passed over. When the drone was seen flying past, a boat was visible on the riverbank at the target site, with a few people standing nearby and a vehicle parked a little further. In the January 19th image, only one hole is visible, which also appears to be fresh, since in the January 5th image 14 days prior, there was not even a single hole.
Now let's take you to an island where some strange spots have been recorded in satellite images. In Eritrea, a country in northeast Africa, there are several hundred islands in the Red Sea. One small island among them, measuring 500 meters by 300 meters, has some unusual spots clearly visible. Looking at other nearby islands, there are no such markings. So why do these thousands of spots appear only on this island? There is no population on this island now, nor has there ever been in the past. After a lot of internet research, it was found that 5 species of turtles are found in the Red Sea. When turtles lay eggs, they come ashore and dig holes to lay them. Since this island is free from any human activity, that could be the reason turtles come here to dig their nests. In central Morocco, there is a solar power station so big that it can be seen easily from space. The Noor solar power station is built on a total area of 4,500 acres, where the plants generate electricity using solar panels, while one is a concentrated solar plant. This is a very tall central tower, whose shadow is also visible, surrounded by thousands of mirrors. These mirrors adjust their positions with the sun and reflect sunlight onto the tower. At the top of the tower is molten salt, which heats up and drives a turbine to generate electricity. This is the world's largest concentrated solar power plant, presenting a unique view in satellite images. In the satellite photo captured in 2001, only fields can be seen here. This is a special location in the Pakistani city of Abbottabad. The next satellite image is from May 9, 2010, when many houses can be seen built there. This was the house where Osama bin Laden had taken refuge. On May 2, 2011, he was killed in an operation, and a satellite photo of that day was definitely captured, but it is quite blurry, so not many details are visible. Immediately after the operation, this house was demolished. The before and after difference is clearly visible. Today, many new homes have been built in this area, but the entire compound still lies empty. In this South African location, the Congo River passes through dense forests. But in the 2017 satellite image, a floating structure is seen on the riverbank. What is this thing that was only present in 2017? The picture isn't clear enough to zoom in. After asking ChatGPT, it was found that it's a floating deck for gold mining. Illegal gold mining is very common along the Congo River. The flowing water carries minerals and gold dust. This mining plant filters the sand in the water to extract gold. Due to strict regulations, these floating decks are portable. After extracting gold for a month or two, they disassemble the plant and shift it elsewhere.
Our next location is in the Gaza Strip, where evidence of Israeli bombardments is also recorded in satellite images. Though there are many such locations, I want to show you just 3. This is an image of the North Gaza population captured on October 19, 2023. But just 1 month later, by November 24, 2023, the condition of these locations was such that, as far as the eye can see, houses and skyscrapers had turned into piles of rubble. The next location is Los Angeles. The clouds visible in the satellite image of January 11, 2025, are not clouds but smoke from a wildfire that raged for 25 days before dying out. The extent of destruction is such that the satellite image hasn't yet been updated. In northeast Japan lies the Bering Sea, where there is a remote island in Russian territory. This island is thousands of kilometers away from the nearest inland city, with no human population. But surprisingly, 6 small structures are recorded in satellite view on the east corner of this island. Apart from these 6 structures, nothing else is found on the entire island. So the question arises, what are these and who built them? Whatever they are square in shape and appear to have been dug into the ground when seen in 3D view. Only one thing comes to mind: bunkers. Since this island falls under Russian territory, which was once the Soviet Union, and the orientation of these bunkers is toward the American state of Alaska, there is no doubt that these are World War II-era bunkers meant to monitor American ships coming from the Gulf of Alaska. This part of the Bering Sea is filled with countless small and large islands, where WWI-era bunkers still hold the bitter memories of history. How did you like this Google Earth series video on the Discover TV YouTube channel? And would you like to see more videos on this series in the future? Please share your thoughts in the comments section. Thank you so much for your lovely comments. See you in the next amazing video.